Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel TV Scoop Entertainment, where I always bring you the latest scoop in South Africa. Guys, I made this video so that I can apologize for 3 YouTube videos that I made, and the sound there, it was so horrible, very horrible. At first I was not aware of the situation because on my side the sound is working perfectly, but then when one user actually noted on one of the videos that, girl, we like your content, you make great content, however you need to work on that mic sis. And I was like, okay, what is this guy actually talking about? Because I, on myself, before I post a video, I listen to the sound, to see if everything's okay. I look at everything. However, I went back to watch one of my videos, one of the 3 videos that I posted, only to find out that yes, the sound was very off. It was actually killing my ears as well. And because I'm TV Scoop, I made sure that I fix the problem as soon as possible. So guys, I can guarantee you right now that the problem is now solved. However, I'm unable to take down those 3 videos that I posted, but going forward you will be getting quality content, quality sound all the way. Thank you very much guys for your support. I do appreciate it. To my subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and to the viewers who are still getting the feel of TV Scoop Entertainment, keep on watching my videos, and hopefully one day you will subscribe and become one of the T Scoopers. Thank you guys once again, and until next time, see you on another TV Scoop Entertainment video. Goodbye.